Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, 𝚘𝚑𝚡𝚅𝚡. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook.
Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and Happy New Year to you. Listen, I have not officially wished you all a Happy New Year. I'll be honest, the year started off with a lot going on. I'm happy to say that it was good things, but it left very little time in this space. Now, I was attempting to clean up throughout the weekend my craft space and get some things organized, and do a light purge. Nothing major, but just get rid of some things that I'm not using. And I realized I still had my Christmas gifts and cards, because they're so pretty, up, which I would typically keep up till like February or Valentine's Day. And before I put those away while I'm trying to get everything cleaned up, I wanted to just hop on and thank each and every one of you who reached out to me during the holidays, during Christmas and New Year's, whether you sent something, whether I swapped with you, whether you sent a message, or just simply wished me well, during the holidays. I want to thank you. It was the first Christmas without my brother, and so it was a little difficult. I'll be honest with you. It was odd. It was good, because we're celebrating the birth of Christ, but it was difficult. But I will say that, those cards that came in and little care packages and racks, they were the sweetest touches that I needed at the moment. So I want to thank you. Now, I want to share with you some of the things that I got. Some of them may be in their original packaging. Some of them may not be. This is a card that I received from Sonia Stover of Artsy Solutions. But I'm not going to read the inside because that's not necessary. But she used one of the pages from our Winter's Soul Kit. She did a fabulous job with that. I mean, it's gorgeous. And then she just lightly embellished it right there. Backed it with some gold foil paper. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sonia. I may not have said it to you. I may have messaged you, but I don't remember. Another card that I received was from my good friend, Roberta. Look at the die cuts right there. And then the antiqued Joy to the World paper. And then the gold for the flickering flames. These are so beautiful. And then I also received... All right, and so I received this beautifully embossed envelope from our good friend Jennifer Reel, a viewer subscriber here, and in it was this cute little card. Now this is the stamp set that you guys saw me use here on the channel, and it is by Where Baking and Crafting Meets, her shop called The Sweets. I think there was a giveaway, so these are the cute little peaches she stamped out, and the little beads. It says your sweetest peaches, and on the inside is a wonderful little sentiment. I love the card. And then inside of the envelope she also included some ephemera for me to use. But look at the little ephemera holder she created. Isn't that cute? So this looks like she cut this out, and then there's a cute little bow and some flat back iridescent gems, some tickets in here. Oh yeah. And then a tag. I love the little tickets. Let's see, I think there's a couple more in there. Excuse me. They got a nice little shabby chicy. Okay, and then in the other one, this is an envelope that she made. This looks like that she cut these out herself. And there's a cute little teacup, because I love the tea. Inside here are some more goodies. It's a cute envelope. This has to be reused. I love the idea of making it like this, but adding the vellum so you can kind of see through. That is ingenious. I love that. All right, and then so in here is some little tiny envelopes. I can score it there and then put them together and tuck some ephemera in there, or maybe just add them to a journal. Look at that. Oh, these will fit in there. Well, maybe not. Not unless I cut them. But okay, so we got tiny little postcards. some tags. Okay, so these items were sent by Jennifer Real. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I appreciate it. And I have to apologize for not getting back to you guys sooner with this. It's just been a crazy time. Good and crazy, and then, you know, a little emotional. All right, and so moving right along, I received from one of the Maker Exchange members, our Facebook group, these polymer clay earrings. And this is by Jennifer Hammond. Jennifer, if you're watching, thank you so much. I love them. Oh, the other one's still in here. Now, I have some polymer clay. If you guys are interested in seeing me work with that, I haven't worked with it in a while, but I would love to bring it on the channel and play around with it if it's something you guys are interested in. Otherwise, I'll just play by myself. Like a kid in the sandbox on punishment. Okay, look at those. I love the matte blue. There's no shine to it, which means you can kind of wear with anything. And even if you can't, I still will. All right, so that came from Jennifer. And then in here is one of the Maker Exchange members, Sierra. She is the queen of the cards, okay? Her cards are always simple and lovely, or cute and crafty, you know. But this is another Christmas card, and inside of it there's it's a card / ephemera holder. But I'm going to show you. I don't want you to see all of the messaging, but look at how cute this note is with the little, okay, the little doily down there, the washi tape, the sticker. The layering is impeccable. That card goes with that. Okay, and so now look on the inside here. It's pages of ephemera. This is ingenious. Okay, look at that. Okay, so let's go back through. We've got the first page, which is a nice little belly band with Christmas trees and presents, please. And then there's also a little pocket over here on this side. That is really a great idea. How did she get that to stay? Oh, okay. I'll look at the construction later. Okay, and then so once you flip that over, you have another little pocket with a thumb pull, if that's what you want to call it. And then some ephemera here. It's a Wonderful Life piece. And yes, it is after Christmas, but I probably will... Well, my Christmas stuff sits under my desk in a couple of Christmassy totes so that I'll remember what's in there. I don't keep my stamps in there, but I do keep, you know, like ornaments that I'll use to craft with, ribbon, what else is in there? Ornaments for us to decorate next year. I always find them on clearance after Christmas, and then I'll tuck them away in there, and then I can easily access it throughout the year. This year, I have to say, I really wasn't prepared in terms of having a lot of cards ready. I did make some, but I didn't have a lot ready. All right, so then we have this cute little die cut with the snow on top of the tree, and it's on this polka dot vellum. And then the next page is a little tuck spot with a beautiful tag that's embossed with snowflakes, and then has some, looks like distress ink. It says Believe, and then there's two little candles down there. Absolutely love the collage, the layering. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. It's like a gift inside of a gift. And then look at that little die cut, or I don't know if it's it's a die cut. Gorgeous. And then this is a really ingenious idea. Embossed paper. It says Mary right there in goldish color in there. And Happy Holidays down at the bottom. Little thumb pull. Christmas memories. That is adorable. Isn't it? And then a little library card. Embossed library. That is cute. The little snowflakes and trees and reindeer down at the bottom. You guys can't see it, but I can. Isn't that pretty? I don't have a lot of embossing paper folders, so when I get like pieces of, you know, embossed card or cardstock, I'm always in heaven, because honestly, I have a few, maybe 5 or 6 at this point, but I don't use, you know, you get get tired of using the same ones over and over again, right? So, and then there's the pocket. That's what was tucked into the pocket. So what she did was, it looks like, don't get mad at me, Sierra, for showing you your construction. What she did was she made the booklet and she glued the last page down inside of the pocket. This is brilliant. And I like how she decorated that first pocket. I love that. And so, again, thank you, Sierra, for creating that and sending it to me. It arrived right on time, and I really love it. And I especially love the not so bright and Christmassy colors. You know, the muted red and green, burgundy, and what is it, evergreen color. Love it. Okay, now this last one, last but not least, came from my swap partner. Now, I'm going to show this to you guys. This is her card. Whisper Lane, hand-stamped metal. Amy Greaves is the owner and designer. And this is her information. You'll want to take note of this because when you see what's on the inside, I hope she enjoyed mine as well, but when you see what's in the inside, you'll probably want to go and check out her shop. Whisper Lane, Layne, .etsy.com. Okay? Nice card. And so I did hang this up on my tree, but I took it back down because I'll probably hang it in my craft space next year. So it came in this polka dot bag, which I'll use. you know what we do. And then how cute is this? How cute is this canvas little satchel drawstring? Okay, and then this is the ornament that I received in my swap, and it is gorgeous. Jingle all the way, and if you look closely, you see the reindeer up in the sky with the sleigh right there. It's gorgeous, and then it has the I thought it was gorgeous, and I still do. So thank you, Amy. I don't even think this is how that was. This was actually like this. Thank you, Amy, for the beautiful ornament. I love it, and I will cherish it for years to come on my tree or in my craft. It's going to stay in my craft space because I don't want it to get lost in the shuffle. Plus, when the grands come, you know, the tree can get tortured. Plus, when Josh is underneath that tree getting his... Listen, I'm very cautious as to where I put the special ornaments. Actually, I didn't put any of the special ornaments out this year. I really just didn't have the energy for it. I had a lot going on. Now, I'm just now getting back from ministry-related traveling. So, you know, I would have liked to have done this sooner, but I do appreciate your patience, and I've got some new things coming up. I've got some new craft products and products related to our craft activities that I think you guys are going to like, and I got another haul now. All right, so I typically would share my hauls with you guys during my sip and share, but considering the fact that there wasn't one for the month of December, there wasn't one for the month of January, there isn't going to be one for the month of January. We'll pick back up in February. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few items that I've had on my desk that I recently purchased, along with all of the Christmas shopping. When you're out doing those Christmas last minute pickups, I saw a few things that I thought you guys might be interested in. One of them was this palette knife set. Now I want you to take note of this price, because if you go on Amazon, Walmart, or any other place, metal, you will not find one for this price. And it has the numbers down at the bottom, so the sizes are marked there. And it is by this brand, Crafting Your Curiosity. Again, this is at the Dollar Tree, where they have the section for items that are above $1.25. And also, you can get a pack. The plastic ones are $1.25. And those are kind of like disposable. So I'm just saying, the handles are wood. It looks like they're wood. Let's just take a look and see. Let's take a look and see. They're plastic, but they have a little bit more weight and they feel a little bit more substantive. right? So that's $3. If you have a minute, stop down there and check them out and see if you can find this, because you are not going to find this online or in any other brick and mortar store, including the big box craft stores. Another item, well, I picked up this. I don't remember where I got this from. I don't even know why this is on my desk. It might not even be craft related. It's just par for the course, right? Okay, so this is another thing that I wanted to show you guys. These fat quarters that they had at the Dollar Tree. Now, I have refrained from taking them out of the pack because otherwise I probably would cut into them. But look at the patterns here. I love this. It's going to be great for spring and into the summer. Those nice vibrant colors. Then you've got the pink with a cute little pattern there. Then you've got this one. This is really pretty. This will make great notebook covers. You know, like a little traveler's notebook cover. And then there's this pink. These are partner. Really cute together like that. Really cute. Really cute. Okay, so we got that set. That was, I think these were $5 for 5 fat quarters. And you go to Walmart and get them. Your fat quarters for a little over $1 for the plain ones, and then for the ones with a lot of pattern, or you know, they may be like a different brand, they may be a little bit more. The second fat quarter that I picked up was this one, and again, I just waited until I could be in front of you guys to open it up and get a full view of it. So I love, you know, I love the teal. It's my favorite color, but I love the mixture. It's kind of like earthy mixed with, well, nevertheless, let's just take a look at it. It's kind of boho colors, if you will. We've got peaches and teals and like a terracotta color, and it's gorgeous. So we have that one, and then we have the pretty teals, right? I look forward to working with these, and I like the way that this complements that, and it also, you know, all of the colors complement one another. I would love to know. Crafting Your Curiosity is the brand, but I wonder if they have a brand outside of Dollar Tree, or if they make exclusively for them. I'm going to do a little research on that and get back to you guys. That is so pretty, and I'm not really big into florals, but if it's kind of like, you know, like this is kind of a watercolor floral, I'm okay with that. And I love the deep teal in the background. And then last but not least, that. So you got a little bit of a geometric thing going on there. Gorgeousness. So listen, I want to thank you guys for sticking with me throughout 2022. I hope that you will continue to watch for more creative inspiration from the channel. And believe it or not, over the last 2 months, when the least amount of videos have come out is when we have grown the largest and fastest. We grew more in the past 2 months than we did for the first 8 months of the year combined. Okay, so anyways, listen, so thanks so much for continuing to support the channel, for liking, for sharing the content in your creative spaces, and I will kindly ask that you continue to do so. Now listen, until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, because no matter what year it is, we are still going to continue doing all of those things, right? Stay blessed.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the Crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.